今日會同大家睇下位於東倫敦2686平方公尺嘅裝修工程。
大家好，我係 Mirza。We have this new project with the complete renovation, new wiring, new plumbing. We go inside and we'll show you. This is 4-bedroom house. We are doing with the new wirings. We'll do the new plumbing for the whole house. And with the new low profile underfloor heating, we'll show you later how to do it. And then if we go upstairs, we'll show you its old water tank which we removed already, and we are putting the new one. And this is the floorboard. We remove it to run our new pipes, new wires. This was the old wiring in here, which is not compliable with the new rules. And the old water tank was in here. There was radiators and other stuff. We have removed everything. And we go in the loft. As we go in the loft, you see there is old water tank. This is the old water tank. You can see how dirty it is. This water you're supposed to drink. But we have changed everything. We removed this tank, and then we go downstairs and we'll show you which boiler we are putting and which tank we are installing it. We have boiler and the new water tank in here. We are installing this boiler with all the new pipe work, with the mega flow system, and then we will have underfloor heating in the kitchen area and the living room. We'll show you later. And we will renovate this bathroom completely. This bathroom we'll rip it off and we'll make it new. We'll see you in next video.
最後我哋都嚟一個好快嘅 house tour 啦。一入去轉左就係一個 reception room， 呢度係一個 playroom。我哋行前少少係一個 dining room。呢度出去係第二個 reception room， 咁入去呢度係一個 kitchen 啦。再轉咗係一個 utility room， 咁亦都有個洗手間喺入邊嘅。另外呢間屋都有個 basement， 面積係218平方尺。跟住我哋上返2樓啦，2樓有3間房，呢度係一個 washroom。第一間房，呢間第二間房，呢間係一個 ensuite 第3間睡房。再上樓上係一個 loft room。好啦，今日就講到呢度啦。如果大家想了解更多嘅裝修資訊或者我哋嘅工程實況，可以 follow 我哋嘅 Facebook 或者 subscribe 我哋嘅 YouTube channel。